Sherburne County Court Administration. Please listen carefully to the following options. For general information and hours, please press 1. To speak to someone in civil, family, juvenile, or probate, please press 2. To speak to someone regarding fine payments, traffic tickets, or criminal matters, please press 3. For directions, please press...
Wait while I transfer your call. Court administration.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Fine.
Well, that's good. Say, is Patricia Kuka around?
Is this regarding something other than... Patricia Kuka is the court administrator. Is this something regarding a case of some sort, or...
Well, I'm aware who Patricia Kuka is because I'm looking right at your website. It says court administrator on there. I'm calling to ask her about some issues that I had with some information I received from the court. And I do believe she's the head person, so that would be the person I'd want to talk to.
Okay, because typically what we ask is if it's pertaining to like a family matter, civil or criminal, juvenile, whatever, and we would, because rarely she talks to anybody unless there is something you really need to talk to her about.
Well, I think there's something important to talk about because someone paid for paperwork that came out of your court, and some paperwork is missing out of that paperwork.
Oh.
And I think that's pretty important, and I think she's the person to talk to because she's the court administrator and she's responsible for all activities in the court.
Okay, I will transfer you over. Hold on, please.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Kuka. I can't take your call right now. Please leave a message. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you need help right away, dial 763-765-4600. Thank you.
Record your message at the tone. When you are finished, hang up or press pound for more options.
Hello, this is Terry Nemmers, 320-283-5713. I will not be at home until around 3 o'clock this afternoon. So I will be calling you back at 3 o'clock, so I expect you to be in your office at that time to discuss this matter. I am in possession of some paperwork that came out of your office that is incomplete. There are pages missing from the documents that were purchased from your court. And I think this is a serious matter. So I expect you to be at your office at 3 o'clock to take my call. Again, Terry Nemmers, 320-283-5713. Thank you for your time. Bye.
Someone regarding fine payments, traffic tickets, or criminal matters, please press...
Wait while I transfer your call.
Court administration.
Hi, is Patricia Kuka there today?
Yes, she is. Can I ask who's calling, please?
This is Terry Nemmers. I told her I'd be calling her at 3 o'clock.
Okay, one moment, please.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Kuka. I can't take your call right now. Please leave a message. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you need help right away, dial 763-765-4600. Thank you.
Record your message at the tone. When you are finished, hang up or press pound for more options.
I guess you're going to be hiding behind your voicemail, Miss Kuka. I do believe the court administrator is supposed to handle problems in the court, aren't you? There's a problem with some paperwork and you don't want to do your job, do you? You're hiding, aren't you? Well, I think what I will do is I will call the Board on Judicial Standards. Their phone number is 651-296-3999, and I'll file a complaint against your Judge Karla F. Hancock and Judge Sheridan Hawley because it's their paperwork in their case. And I think you were supposed to handle it, so you might be in big trouble with them because you didn't deal with it. Right? Okay. Well, you just have a super wonderful day, Miss Patricia A. Kuka. Bye.
You have reached Sherburne County Court Administrator.
Wait while I transfer your call.
Court Administrator's Office, Kathy speaking.
Yes, this is Terry Nemmers. I just called just a little bit ago. I was supposed to be talking to your Patricia A. Kuka, court administrator, at 3 o'clock. And you, I don't know if it was you who talked to me just a little bit ago.
No.
Okay, well, anyhow, I was transferred and immediately got her voicemail. Now, I don't appreciate the fact that she's supposed to be there at 3 o'clock waiting for my call, and she's not there. I was trying to call her at 10:30 this morning, and she wasn't there either. I got her voicemail again. All right?
Okay, I believe she's been in and out of meetings today, but I can transfer you over to my supervisor.
Okay.
And to my knowledge, she is at her desk. I will double check and make sure she's there before I transfer you, though.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Okay, so if you just want to hang on a second.
Sure. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Okay, she is at her desk. Her name is Debbie Jensen. I'll transfer you right over to her right now.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Court Administrator's Office, this is Debbie.
Yes, how are you doing today?
Good.
Well, that's good. I was explaining to the last lady I was talking to that I had left a message for this Patricia A. Kuka, your court administrator, this morning at 10:30. Actually, I wanted to talk to her, but I got her voicemail immediately. And then I told her I'd be calling her back at 3 o'clock today, and I expected her to be there because this is a serious matter that I wanted to discuss with her. And again, I get a voicemail.
Okay.
So I don't know.
I've been trying to get a hold of you in the meantime. I tried it, since about 5 to 3, and I got a busy signal. But
well, that's probably because I'm trying to call you.
Yeah. What is? My name's Debbie Jensen, and I'm the supervisor in the criminal traffic and areas. And what area is this regarding?
Well, it's regarding some criminal documents that were purchased from your court office there on 2/12/13.
Okay.
All right, and they paid the full amount, and the paperwork is incomplete.
Okay, and who was that on?
Actually, I'd like to have some questions answered about the court administrator first. Why is she disrespecting me and not talking to me? Why is she having?
She is in a meeting. She's unavailable right now. She's in a meeting.
Right. I
she
I don't.
asked me to call you at 3 o'clock, and so, like I said, I tried about 5 to 3, and then at 3 o'clock I tried again, but your line was busy.
Right.
And I've been trying ever since. So, yes, she is in a meeting right now and could not, take your call.
Okay. Well, then we'll discuss this matter.
I can certainly help you.
Okay. Well, then we'll get into this then.
Okay.
All right. The case is Greg Shartle, Shartle. Would you like the case number?
Yes, that would be great.
Okay. It is 71CR 12705.
All right.
And what was asked for was a document. Whoop, I had the right page there and I turned it. Petition to enter plea of guilty.
Okay.
Felony case pursuant to Rule 15. All right?
Okay.
And this is a 4-page document, right? I don't know if you're familiar with the document at all.
I am familiar with it.
Okay, it's a standard document.
I'm just looking up the file here, and I'm going to find it.
Okay, it's a 4-page document which you can download off the State of Minnesota website. I do believe it's form, let's see, what do they have it as? Form CRM 101. Standard form, 4 pages.
Yep.
Okay. This individual paid his $8 and received page 1 of 4, 2 of 4, and 4 of 4. Did you notice I missed a number?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So the question is, where's page 3 of 4?
Well, I will go back to the file. It looks like it got missed when we imaged it.
Okay.
Because of, I think that it isn't 4 separate pages. It's front and back of one, front and back of another. But I will have to pull the file to see.
Okay.
Did you want to hang on? And
I'll hang
look?
on. I'll hang
Pull
on.
the file?
Yes, that'd be fine.
Okay.
Thank
hang
you.
on. Greg, can I call you back? Or not Greg, I'm sorry.
Terry.
Terry, can I call you back on this file?
Okay, what's the situation?
I just have to locate it. It's not, it's in our storeroom in the back, so it'll just take me a little bit to get it.
Okay. Well,
and
I'm on.
You are at 320-283-5713.
Right, I'm on your Watts line, so it's your dime anyhow, so.
Okay, I will call you right back.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thanks.
Yep, bye. Hello?
Yeah, hi. Is this Terry?
This is.
Terry, this is Debbie with Sherburne County. I'm calling you back.
Okay. Are you calling me on your cell phone or
I
something?
the file, and I do have the 3rd page. Do you want me to send this out to you?
Okay, well, I guess the real question is how come it's missing from this file that I have here?
It just got missed.
Okay. So, because it's on the back side of another piece of paper, right?
Well, it is in the file here. It somehow got missed, and I don't know how.
Okay. Because
but it is, I thought it was separate pages, but it is its own page. And
okay.
I do have it now, right here. So,
so it's...
do have all 4 pages.
Okay. Well, the only thing is, this happened twice. Not once. Happened twice.
Okay.
So the first time was at 8:26 a.m. on 2/12/2013. And the second time was on 2/12/2013 at 8:40 a.m.
Okay.
All right? So...
Did they scan it and send it to you, or...
Well, actually...
Did you come to the courthouse and get it?
Actually, 2 separate people came there, and they were asked their names and asked why they wanted it, which, of course, is none of your business nor none of your concern, is it? Right?
Well, we
and this is public information, right?
Have that information for our file. I mean, if you don't want to give it, you certainly don't have to. But
well, the one person was under the one person was under the impression that they didn't really want to give him the information. Okay? I have his taped statement. Another person, I have his email recount of the thing. And I don't know why, again, it really is none of your business nor your concern what their names are to start with, or why they want it. This is public information.
Okay, and again, I wasn't there. I don't know.
Well, I do know because I was told.
Look at the file. We need to know who's looking at it. It is a confidential file. I mean, there's a lot of confidential information in this file, and that's why people probably were a little hesitant because of the confidential information that is contained in this file.
Well, they didn't ask to see the file. They asked for a document out of the file, which I'm holding in my hand. It's this just document I told you, petition to enter a guilty plea, which is a public document, isn't it? I mean, otherwise I wouldn't have it if it was confidential.
Yes, it is public.
Right. So obviously they were told exactly what they were needed. So it's not like they were snooping through a file. It's just they specifically asked for some information, and they were treated rudely as far as I'm concerned. And again, asking questions that were none of your business nor your concern. And then to add injury to insult, both people paid for something that they didn't get.
Okay.
So you can see how...
I apologize for that. I can certainly send out 2 copies if you'd like.
That would be fine.
Okay. Can I get your address?
Okay. My address, well, I'll give you my full name, is Terry,
okay.
Terry,
okay.
Dean, Dean,
okay.
Nemmers, N as in Nancy, E, M as in Mary, M as in Mary, ERS, and my address is 20179 County Road 28.
Okay.
Glenwood, GLENWOOD, Minnesota, MN 56334.
Okay. All right, let me repeat that. Terry D. Nemmers, 20179 County Road 28, Glenwood 56334.
Correct.
Okay, and I will get those out. And again, I apologize for that.
Okay, well, I have some more questions about this.
And I will talk to staff.
Okay.
Okay. Is there anything else
yes,
that
there,
I can help you with?
Yes, there is. I need to ask you some questions about this file yet.
Okay.
All right. Do you have it in your hand right now?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Is there some sort of legend so you'd see if any new activity is in there? Because I'd like to find out if Greg Shartle has filed a Form 33, which would be a notice of appeal by defendant to a court of appeals.
And no, I do not see any new filings.
Okay, so what's the last filing in the...
January 11th.
Okay, and
11/13.
That would be his, let's see,
let's see.
Order for release? Or, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Is there a copy of the plea bargain in that file?
That would be on the petition to enter the plea of guilty.
The plea bargain is on here?
Well, it should say, let me see here. Sometimes they write it on here.
Okay. Maybe it's the page 304 that I'm missing. Because I don't see that.
Okay, and nothing is clearly written on here.
Okay.
Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. As far as the plea bargain, I don't know.
Well, there's nothing indicated in the file that there's a plea bargain in the file then.
Right. I don't see anything.
But you said typically they'll write that on the document that I have, the petition, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Is that standard operating procedure?
Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't.
Okay. But I mean, is that typical for your county or your district, or is that statewide?
That goes for Sherburne County. I can't tell you if that is, what people do in other counties.
Okay.
Sometimes the attorneys write it on, and then, sometimes it is in the plea agreement on the record. You'd have to talk to the court reporter.
Okay.
To get the minutes to the court hearing, but I can't tell you for sure.
Okay.
Let me see if I can find out who the court reporter is.
That's not essential. I'm not going to be asking for the copy of her transcript or whatever anyhow, so.
Okay.
So I think, let's see, I asked you about that and the receipt. So you're going to send me 2 copies then, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And are you going to be able to get that in the mail today or tomorrow? Or?
I can't. Our mail goes at 3 o'clock.
Okay. So it'll be
So it would be in tomorrow's mail.
Okay. All right. That would be fine then. So if I have any more questions, I'll give you a call then.
Okay, and I apologize for that confusion, but we will certainly get these copies out to you tomorrow.
Okay, and then you said you're also going to talk to your staff then too?
Yes, I will.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Okay, I will do that.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Yep, bye now.